what is this? What is this? Can we walk to it? Come on. Oh, that was food. Yes, great. Come on. Is that food? Oh, great, that was food. Alright, we can go now. Oh, let's try flying to the top. We are a bird, right? We got experience flying. Yeah. The first man ever fly. Actually, we're not even mans. We are actual birds. Oh, man. Oh, we can release. Oh, great. Look at this, look at this. We're gonna do a pre-fall, okay? We're gonna... Oh, come on. Why are the leaves so hard? They gotta... Can't birds go through them? We're gonna be the king today. We're gonna be the king bird. So, where are the other... There's only one player in the game. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Yo. Look at this. This is so awesome, bro. Oh, my God. This is awesome. Awesome. Oh, I should play with my friends with this game. Oh my god, this is so cool. You can just fly around. Whoever made this, wow, you have a great idea. And how did you make this animation? Oh my god. I think I saw it. What is it? What is it? Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Can I eat you, rabbit? Get over here, rabbit. Get over here, rabbit. Get over here, rabbit. I'm faster than you. Get over here. Actually, this rabbit doesn't look like a rabbit. It kind of looks like a rabbit. It's like a rabbit mummy. Yeah, rabbit mummy. And hey, I think we need a drink. Can we eat this stuff? Oh, this looks delicious. Can I eat this stuff? We can't. Fly. I just saw a bird. Where was that bird? Hey, bird friends. Where's that bird at? You know what? What do we need? We need food. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's food over here. So good. Come on. There we go. Oh my god, we're finding some food. We're finding food today, guys. We have... Wait, by the way, where's the legs? We don't have legs? Oh my god. Birds have legs. Alright. Oh, is that the bird? Oh, what's up? This is the only person here. Hi. Bro, stop running away from me. Whoever you are. Princess Dragon something. Where did she, I think, wait, what is she? Oh, she is the girl. That's why it's princess. Yeah, why am I so dumb? You know what? We're gonna fall to our death today. Okay, we're gonna kill ourselves. We're gonna fall to death. So we gotta fly high as we can so we can kill ourselves, alright? This is the most dangerous stunt ever, so you guys better watch and learn and better not try this at home, okay? Or just don't try this. Alright? Because we're gonna kill ourselves. To you birdies, don't do this. See? See what happened to me? I got stuck to the ground. Oh my god. I'm so funny over there. Return. Oh my god, that music. Walk. Oh my god, I'm not paying for that. How much? 10? Nah, I'm not paying for that. Nah. You know what? We're gonna buy this eagle one day when we get enough coins, alright? We're gonna buy that coin and we're gonna buy that Wait, how do you make a nest? I don't know. This is my first time playing this game. How do I know how to make a nest, bro? Oh, look at this. Ooh, just gliding. I can even let go of the mouse and keyboard. Ooh, just flying, flying, flying. Okay, we gotta go. This is awesome. Look at the landscape. Look at this. This is awesome. We're just flying around the forest. The only problem is the leaves are so hard. You can't even go through them. You know what? How do we even make a nest even? Comment down below, guys, if you can even make a nest in this game. I don't think you can because I don't know how. Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't have legs. We are the king bird. Oh, that's higher. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. We're gonna make it. The one that only can get up here is the king. Alright. The king and queen. Actually, yeah, princess and king. Come on, come on, come on. You gotta attempt there. Come on, let me up there. Come on, I'm getting so mad. Come on, come on, man. Come on, please let me up there. Tree, please. Well, I think the tree won't let me. Alright. Finally! Oh my god. We are literally the king. You know what? You know what? You know what we need? We need the highest brightness. Oh my god, it's so bright. No, I'm the only. Okay. You said GT. I forgot what that means, but I think that means something like bye. Oh, bam! Drift. Yo. I'm the best. Oh, she did left. We're all alone. Oh, at least they're with these people over here. Look at these. Oh my god. This squirrel doesn't even look like a squirrel, bro. Hey, squirrel, squirrel, squawk, squawk. Do you need nuts? I already took them, alright. Do you need nuts? I already took them. I can't jump. Birds can't jump. Great. Just gotta fly, racing. Oh, you know what? Next time, I will try to get my friends, to play this game. Oh my god, this is awesome. Oh, we gotta fly so high and kill ourselves again. Like what happened before. So, please, don't try this at home, okay? Don't you try this at home. Because you're not gonna die today. I am, because I'm the king. And I deserve to die because I suck. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, this is higher. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, get up. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, bro. Come on, 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 bro. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I almost fell over there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ugh, oh my god. You know what, we're gonna fly. Alright. What kind of bird bounces? Okay, you know what, let's go fly up again and try to get up there. Okay, we gotta keep attempting to fly up there. Oh, we are low in food and water. I didn't even notice that. I need food. Oh my god, I'm starving. I'm starving, everybody. Give me food. Even I need water as well. Nom, 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 nom. Finally, we got water. We need food. We need food. We got so much before. Where the other food at? Oh, bugs. That's good. That's good, bro. That's good. That was a bee. We just ate a bee. I felt bad for that bee because we just ate him. We just ate him, bro. We gotta eat some more. Can we eat this instead? Because what? Oh, that's good. It's a worm or some sort. I don't know. Let's go. We got enough energy now. Okay, there's a guest with us, and I have no idea why. Am I always with a guest? Okay. Every game I play, there's like a guest or something. Not like my game. Sometimes there is. Most of the time there is guests. Oh my god, this is just. Oh my god. 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 Come on, let me up there. Come on. Oh my god. No, my birdie. No, it bounces. Okay, we just gotta zoom around. Okay, you wanna do. Okay, let's do a zoom. Oh, this is scary. I'm going so fast. Oh. Oh my god, this is awesome. This is literally feeling like a bird. We are a bird, bros. We are a bird. I don't want to be a bird in real life. Ah, I love feeling like a bird. That's good. Oh, he's so good. Where are the other ones? I thought there was another one there. Okay, we can just go. Can we eat mushrooms? Nope. There's no physics in this game. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm literally hitting this thing. And boom. Nothing happened to him. Look at this. Look at this. Are you serious? Oh my god, he pushed me. Get over here. What is this? I don't know what this is. What the hell are you what are you doing, bro? Okay, let's just go fly around. This bird similar is kind of cool. I'm gonna leave a like after this. I'm gonna leave a like, and like what you guys do, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the video, okay? And to my channel, subscribe to my channel, by the way. No, ooh, bro, no. Maybe we can just stay up here. Oh man, this is awesome. Come on. We're kings deserve to stay up here, okay? Kings like me. Yo, we made it. We made it. Yay. You know what? Let's take a screenshot. Oh, that's awesome. Yup, we got it. Let's go. You know what? We're gonna kill ourselves again. Oh my god. You know what? We're just gonna fly. Kill ourselves. Oh my god. The same thing happened. Oh, look at my legs. I got tiny legs. I look like a chicken. We gotta reset because we're stuck. We are stuck. Oh, one day I'm gonna buy this bald eagle, okay? What is this? Oh, is there more birds? I don't think there is anymore. Where's the eagle? That's a falcon. That's a bald eagle. Is there an American eagle? Nothing. Golden eagle. I'm gonna take the bald eagle. Someday I will. Okay, someday because I'm not really gonna play this game. So we're not gonna get it. Come on. Let's go do this. Let's go. Oh my god, is that a bird? Is that a bird? Is that a bird? Is that a plane? Is that something? Yeah. Oh, yo, get over here, your food. Oh my god, you're so delicious. Please get over here, you're good. Is that a bunny over there? Is that a bunny? Is that a bird? Is that something? Oh my god, I keep saying that. Hey, can I hop on you? Come on, stop running away from me. How come you can jump and I can't? Look at this. I can't jump. I literally need my wings just to jump. It's not really jumping, it's like flying. Okay, let's just fly away because I'm not bothering this cute little what is it called? Cute little rabbit. But now, can we bring this to the squirrel? Because the squirrel was looking for food. I just took all his food. So, is this a squirrel? Nope, you're not a squirrel. Where did the squirrel go? I only saw one squirrel. Spider! Ah, yeah, I just ate you so good. Oh, that's good, bruh. Alright, we gotta go up here. Okay, we gotta drink. We gotta drink, alright? We gotta drink. Well, that's it for you guys. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.